The tongue has the power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit. Proverbs 18:21. This proverb reminds us of the incredible influence our words carry. Our words can uplift or tear down, inspire or demoralize. Just like a small rudder steers a large ship, our words direct our lives and the lives of those around us. They can set the course for our future, guiding us through calm and stormy seas alike. They possess the power to build or destroy, encourage or discourage, heal or harm. A kind word can mend a broken heart, while a harsh word can shatter someone's spirit. Think about a time when someone spoke words of affirmation to you. How did it make you feel? Perhaps a teacher, friend, or family member expressed belief in your abilities. Their words might have given you the courage to pursue your dreams. Those words likely ignited a spark within you, fueling your confidence and inspiring you to reach higher. They can be the catalyst for personal growth and achievement. Conversely, harsh or critical words can leave lasting wounds, eroding self-esteem and creating barriers to growth. Negative words can linger in our minds, affecting our self-worth and potential. We must recognize that our words are not empty vessels. They are powerful tools that can shape our reality and the realities of those around us. They carry weight and have the power to shape reality. Every word we speak has the potential to create a positive or negative impact. Therefore, we have a responsibility to use them intentionally and with awareness of their impact. Let us choose our words wisely, knowing they can bring light into the darkest places and hope to the most desperate hearts. The old adage, "Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me," simply isn't true. Words can cut deeper than any physical wound, leaving emotional scars that can last a lifetime. Words have the power to inflict deep emotional pain. A single harsh word can shatter someone's self-esteem, making them feel worthless and alone. A careless remark, a thoughtless criticism, or a hateful insult can leave invisible scars that linger long after they are spoken. These wounds can affect a person's mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and even self-doubt. On the other hand, words of kindness, encouragement, and love have the power to heal broken hearts, mend relationships, and inspire hope. A kind word can lift someone's spirits and give them the strength to keep going. A simple thank you, a heartfelt compliment, or a word of forgiveness can be a beacon of light in someone's darkest hour. These positive words can create a ripple effect, spreading joy and positivity to others. Consider the impact of your words on others. Are you building them up or tearing them down? Every word you speak has the potential to either uplift or destroy. Are you speaking life or death into their situations? Choose your words wisely, for they hold immense power. The power of our words extends beyond our interactions with others. It also shapes our own thoughts and beliefs. Every word we utter has the potential to build up or tear down, to inspire or to discourage. This is true not only in our conversations with others but also in the silent dialogue we have with ourselves. If we constantly dwell on negative self-talk, criticizing our abilities and focusing on our shortcomings, we create a self-fulfilling prophecy of defeat. This negative cycle can trap us in a mindset where we believe we are not good enough, not capable, and not worthy of success or happiness. Conversely, when we choose to speak positively to ourselves, affirming our strengths and believing in our potential, we cultivate an inner environment of growth and possibility. Positive self-talk can transform our mindset, helping us to see challenges as opportunities and failures as learning experiences. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," we can reframe our thinking and declare, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." This shift in perspective empowers us to face obstacles with courage and resilience, knowing that we are not alone in our journey. Let's make a conscious effort to speak words of life, hope, and encouragement to ourselves and to those around us. By doing so, we not only uplift our own spirits but also create a ripple effect of positivity that can touch the lives of others. Let's be mindful of the weight our words carry and choose to use them for good. Every word we speak has the power to heal, to inspire, and to bring about positive change in the world around us. The world is filled with enough negativity and darkness. Let's be a source of light and positivity through the words we speak. Let's choose to be encouragers, uplifters, and hope givers. Remember, our words have power, the power to build up or tear down, to heal or to harm. Let's use that power wisely and speak life into every situation. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope it inspired you, encouraged you, and reminded you of the incredible power of your words. Remember, what you speak has the potential to bring life and transformation. Stay connected. If this message blessed you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Until next time, speak life, stay encouraged, and remember, you are making a difference with your words. God bless you. What will you choose to speak today?